Have you ever seen a puppy in a shopping mall? Well, Bubble is about to make the mall go crazy. Hello friends, welcome to Sili World by Just In Case Studio. One sunny afternoon, little Sili and her fluffy puppy Bubble walked into the biggest, shiniest shopping mall in town. Sili's eyes sparkled with excitement. Bubble's tail wagged so fast it looked like a little helicopter. Their first stop was the toy shop. Bright balls, teddy bears, and puzzles filled the shelves. And Bubble couldn't resist. Boing! He leapt right into the ball pit. Balls flew in every direction. The shopkeeper laughed and handed Bubble a tiny squeaky ball. Next stop, the candy shop. Sweet smells filled the air. Bubble sniffed, and dashed inside. Uh-oh. He slipped and landed in the cotton candy machine. Round and round he went until, poof! Out popped Bubble, looking like a giant pink cloud. Then Sili and Bubble found something magical, an elevator that said, "1 bark to start." Bubble barked, "Woo!" and the doors opened wide. Ding! Arrived at the secret pet floor. Everywhere they looked, there were shops for pets. Puppy clothes, yummy treats, and even a giant doggy slide. Whee! Bubble zoomed down the slide, his ears flapping like wings. Then he tried on a funny hat shaped like a hot dog. Sili laughed and laughed. Finally, it was time to go home. At the mall exit, Sili spotted a balloon stall. She picked the perfect one, a balloon shaped just like Bubble. Sili held her puppy balloon and Bubble proudly carried his squeaky toy. "Best shopping trip ever, Bubble," she said, and with happy hearts they walked home together, ready for their next big adventure. Remember, kids, shopping is fun, but the best memories are made with friends, especially furry ones. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sili World for more fun learning videos. See you next time!